Hello and welcome to the Virtual Orientation Program 2020. At the onset, I would want to congratulate each one of you for making it to the St. Xavier's College, Ahmedabad. St. Xavier's College is a glorious institution with a rich legacy of 65 years. In the past 65 years, we have always been an epitome of excellence. Our students, our staff members, our alumnus have achieved great heights in their careers and have made us proud on multiple occasions and have contributed immensely to the society. Today is the day one of your journey with St. Xavier's College, Ahmedabad. As an ex-Xavierite myself, I can say this to you that in the coming 3 years, you will see yourself molding into a completely different individual. In the next 3 years, you will realize what does it mean to be a Xavierite. What does it mean to study in a vibrant and a diverse college like St. Xavier's College, Ahmedabad. I once again welcome you to one of the finest colleges of this country, St. Xavier's College, Ahmedabad. And with this, we begin our virtual orientation program. Today is a very important day. We do wish there was no virtual written up there. Had there been no pandemic, all of us would have sat in the glorious Siddharth Assembly Hall in our campus. In spite of all the lockdown restrictions, we have managed to put this entire virtual orientation program up for you. A big thanks to the cultural committee and the guidance of Father Principal. Let us begin this program with the blessings of Almighty. I would like to request the Youth Fest winners, Esha, Yuti and Isha, to kindly lead us into the prayer. Thank you so much, Esha, Yuti and Isha. Friends, principal is one of the most important pillars of the college. It is under his guidance that the college functions and achieves new heights every year. It is in fact a matter of great honor for me to invite Father Principal for his address to the students. May I now request Professor and Head of the Botany Department and Principal of St. Xavier's College, Autonomous Ahmedabad, Reverend Father Dr. Lancelot D. Cruz, to shower his blessings and address the batch of 2020.
My dear students, members of the Xavier Parivar, let me begin by thanking on your behalf the Almighty for keeping each one of us, members of the Xavier Parivar, along with all our families and our dear ones, safe, healthy and blessed. Many young people like you have dreamt of studying at Xavier's. However, Just a few of you have made it to Xavier's, and you are among those few. And so, my dear friends, welcome to St. Xavier's College Autonomous. This is a Jesuit college. Please make sure that you read up and you search the net and you find out what it means to study and to belong to a Jesuit college. Let me tell you a few things about St. Xavier's College, started way back in 1955-56. The college was the first college in Gujarat to be accredited with 5 stars in 2001. We were re-accredited with an A+ grade in 2007, and then in 2013 with an A grade, that is a score of 3.41 out of 4. The college was declared a college with potential for excellence by the UGC in 2008, a star college by the DBT in 2009, and India Today, the popular magazine, has been consistently ranking St. Xavier's among the top 20 colleges in the country. The IMA Ramakrishna Bajaj Merit Award for Academic Excellence was awarded to the college in 2011. In 2014, a very important landmark, the college got academic autonomy from the UGC. And this year, 2020, we will be going both for extension of the autonomy as well as for re-accreditation. So you are lucky because you are going to be part of that process. In the national rankings, the NIRF ranking of 2020, which lists the top 100 colleges of the country, St. Xavier's College, Ahmedabad is ranked at the 59th position. There are only 8 Jesuit colleges which are in the top 100, and we are up there, so that is something that is quite creditable. In the GIR, in the Gujarat state rankings, St. Xavier's College is the only college with 5 stars. There are 2 other colleges in that group this year, but we are up there at the top. India Today 2020 rankings places our science stream at 26th in the country and the arts at 25th in the country and the BCA at 10th in the country. Besides, it's interesting that the BCA college, among BCA colleges in India, St. Xavier's Computer Application Zika is placed at the 8th position in the category of colleges with best value for money. It is placed at the 3rd category in the country, a science college, in terms of the best male-female ratio. And city-wise in Ahmedabad, we are the best college for science. What is the vision of St. Xavier's College, the college to which you will now belong? The vision of the college is to aspire for a world that will become a globalized community, to use this vehicle of higher education to mold men and women for others. We'll explain it a little later. And these men and women for others will realize the dream of equality, of liberty and fraternity, which will ultimately lead to an earth that is more ecologically sustainable. Other people who speak to you over the course of this orientation will explain several of these things to you. The mission of St. Xavier's College is to provide access to excellence in academics, in research and in service learning, in academics, in research and in service learning, to all strata of society, with special attention to the marginalized groups, to discriminated people, and to victims of social and economic disparity. And so you will have a great diversity of students in St. Xavier's College. Our goal is to provide you an environment for, and now this is important, all-round development of your mental, physical, aesthetic, social and spiritual potentials. And I'll touch each one of them as we go along. Mental, physical, aesthetic, social and spiritual potentials, together with the attitudes of integrity, hard work, honesty, fairness and tolerance, so that you give off your best. The college has arts, science, also a BCA stream and also a single commerce course. We have 18 undergraduate programs in arts, 5 in arts, 12 in science and 1 in commerce. We have 9 PG programs. We have 3 vocational elective courses, and earlier we had 15 career-oriented programs, and we were also a center of learning under IGNOU that is discontinued at the moment. Let's come to the mental growth. You have regular classes and practicals. You'll have them online now for some time till we get the green signal from the government. You have research labs, not ordinary labs, but research labs where you students can do projects under the guidance of your professors. We have a library, a good library. We have personal guidance which is provided by a number of cells in the college, which I will talk about in a moment. Please try to make the best use of all these resources. Make it a point to visit the library every day when you are back in college. There are actually 2 prizes for the students who visit the library the maximum number of days. For your physical growth, we have vast sports grounds for various sports activities: cricket, football, tennis, pelota, basketball. We have a state-of-the-art basketball court, one of the best in the state, if not in the country, for you to develop yourself physically. We also hire experts to train our students in various sports activities, and this is to ensure that you compete even up to not just the district and the state level, but even up to the national level. And all this is under the guidance of Dr. Vijay Paderia, who will speak to you later. He is our sports director. Cultural activities will take care of your aesthetic talents. We have cultural activities on a regular basis every weekend when the college begins. The cultural activities in the college begin with the Youth Festival, conducted at the level of the university, and it ends with our annual Culfest and Sports Fest, which is normally held in the month of December. The cultural committee is headed by Dr. Disha, who has a big team of professors and student volunteers, and she will also be talking to you later in this orientation program. The college has the career cell, which will take care of helping you to find jobs and to match your interests and skills with what the market actually offers. The career cell is headed by Dr. Pranav Trivedi, who heads a team of faculty with the help of some volunteers, student volunteers. Another very important ministry or cell in the college is the campus ministry. The campus ministry will take care of your spiritual potential. Sister Mary James and Father Roland D'Souza will be available for psychological help and for counseling. You will also get a chance to reach out to others through this cell, to others who are different from you. As I said, Xavier's is a place to experience diversity, to reach out and help others, and in the process to grow oneself. In doing so, you will experience the process of being healed and of being blessed. This has been the experience of several of our students involved in campus ministry, and I encourage each one of you to make the best use of these facilities. We have several initiatives to take care of you, our students. You have Jagrat, the cell for SC/ST students. We have Utkarsh, the cell for the physically challenged students. We have the Seva Suvas, the cell for the Christian students. We have Prerna, the cell which takes care of the workers who work on campus, apart from the NSS and apart from the CWDC, the College Women's Development Cell. We encourage you to involve yourself in the NSS, in the NCC, in the sports and in all these activities. And I want each one of you to join one or the other group, such as Taru Mitra, our environment group, the NSS, the NCC, cultural activities, CWC, Jagrat, etc. You will also have the opportunity to be part of field trips, study tours, workshops, seminars, research projects, etc. during your 3 years at Xavier's. A few important instructions, my dear students. Many of you have been asking. Online classes will begin for you, the first year students, from September 16th or immediately after this program, the next day. All instructions for you, the timetable, etc., will be put up on the college website. We will be informing you, we will be integrating you into our LMS system very soon. We have a system through which online teaching can take place, and we will be integrating you, putting you into that system very soon. Several things are still uncertain and will become clear as we go along. For example, when will the college physically begin? We don't know, but it will become clearer as we go along. What about the exams, etc.? These are all issues which we will take up as we go along once we have some more clarity from the government. Your department heads, the department to which you belong, botany, chemistry, psychology, economics, your department heads will also guide you as you begin your journey, and your seniors will also be there to guide and help you even while you are studying online. One very important point, no form of ragging will be tolerated at Xavier's, and there are special committees to deal with ragging, and there is the internal complaint committee of the college. More details of this are available on the website. Xavier's College is not just a college, it is a way of life. Many of our alumni, our ex-students who come back to college repeatedly assert, Xavier's College is a way of life. Xavier's is a way of life. The college has been steeped in the Jesuit tradition of excellence and integral human formation. And the rector of the college, Father Vinayak Jadhav, will be speaking to you about what it means to be part of this Jesuit tradition. We do not seek for excellence merely in academics or in sports or in cultural talent, but what we strive for is an all-round personal growth that leads to formation, that ultimately you use your talents, whether they are academic or physical or cultural, to become men and women for others and to use them to make a better society. Our vision at Xavier's is to motivate each one of our students to nurture 3 special values, and with this I end. The first is to be professionally innovative. To be professionally innovative. To add value to the world, not merely in your subject, economics or psychology or botany or chemistry, but Xavierites seek to deal with the world with creativity and compassion. So can you use your knowledge to find innovative, creative solutions to the world, especially to help poor people, to solve problems of the poorer people of this world? So to be professionally innovative. The second quality is to be persons of integrity, an attitude of honesty, of fairness, of hard work, of tolerance, and of always striving to do one's best. We are taking online exams for our final year students now, and several people said that you are taking online exam, MCQ exams, and how do you ensure that there is no copying? Well, how do we ensure that there is no copying? Before every student answers the exam, they are taking a pledge before they begin answering that I am not going to copy because I am a Xavierite and I believe I should give my exam honestly. Now, that some will cheat, that is another matter, but as a Xavierite, the world expects you to be a person of integrity, and that is what we will expect of all our students and of you as well. And the third is to be socially inclusive and to widen our horizons, to stretch our hearts, to embrace people, to embrace persons irrespective of their nationality, their religion, their gender, their caste, etc., and to care for Mother Earth. So you have a chance in Xavier's to make friends, to relate to people from different cultures, different religions, different nationalities, gender, caste, there should not be any bias. And this is the opportunity which St. Xavier's College gives you to care for persons irrespective of who they are and to care for Mother Earth. Welcome to St. Xavier's College. Thank you very much for your patient listening. And while you are at home and till you come here, please stay safe, please stay positive, and please be compassionate. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Father. That was the principal of St. Xavier's College, Ahmedabad, Father Lancelot D. Cruz. In the campus, we fondly call him Father Lancy. By now, you must be wondering, what does it mean to be a Xavierite? What are the values and rich legacy and history of Xavier's? Let us hear this from the very honorable and a scholarly figure of our college. It is with great pleasure and respect I request the Vice Principal Arts and Rector of our college, Reverend Father Vinayak Jadhav, to shower his blessings and address the batch of 2020.
આદરણીય અધ્યાપકશ્રીઓ અને વાલા વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, નમસ્તે. ગુજરાતીમાં કહેવત છે, જે ગામ જવું નહીં તેનું નામ પૂછવું નહીં. પરંતુ હવે તમે એક નવા ગામમાં જઈ રહ્યા છો અને એટલે એનું નામ પૂછવું પડશે. અને આ નવું ગામ, નવી જગ્યા તમારા જીવનમાં જે હવે ઉમેરાય છે એ છે સેન્ટ ઝેવિયર્સ કોલેજ. એટલે સેન્ટ ઝેવિયર્સ કોલેજ વિશેની માહિતી મેળવવી પડશે. આ સેન્ટ ઝેવિયર્સ કોલેજ હવે તમારા જીવન કિતાબનું એક નવું પ્રકરણ બનવા જઈ રહ્યું છે. તમારા જીવન સ્મરણોમાં એક નવું સ્મરણ ઉમેરાવા જઈ રહ્યું છે. ઓસ્ટ્રેલિયન પાર્લામેન્ટમાં હમણાં જ સૌરાષ્ટ્રના એક ભારતીય સભ્યએ સેન્ટ ઝેવિયર્સ કોલેજ અમદાવાદનું નામ લીધું. સેન્ટ ઝેવિયર્સ કોલેજની લેડીઝ હોસ્ટેલમાં ભણતા હોવાનો ઉલ્લેખ કર્યો, ગૌરવ સાથે, આનંદ સાથે. તમે પણ ક્યારેક આ કોલેજનું નામ અને આ કોલેજનું સ્મરણ ક્યાંક કોઈક પાર્લામેન્ટના સભ્ય તરીકે કે ક્યાંક કોઈક મોટા હોદ્દા પર યાદ કરશો. પણ એ પૂર્વે એ સંસ્થા શું છે એનો પરિચય મેળવવો અત્યંત જરૂરી છે. વોટ ઇઝ ઝેવિયર્સ? હુ ઇઝ ઝેવિયર? સેન્ટ ઝેવિયર્સ કોલેજ, તો આ ઝેવિયર નામ ક્યાંથી આવે છે? સેન્ટ ફ્રાન્સિસ ઝેવિયર નામના એક સંત મહાત્માએ ભારતમાં 1542માં યુરોપથી આવીને શિક્ષણની જે અહાલેખ જગાવી, જે ધૂણી દખાવી, એમાંથી શરૂ થયો આ ઝેવિયર્સની શિક્ષણનો ચીલો, ઝેવિયર્સ શિક્ષણની પરંપરા. In 1542, Francis Xavier started St. Paul's College. Remnants of it are still found if you go to Goa, St. Paul's College. More than 2,000 students were there. More than 150 or 200 staff was there already 500 years ago. So this Francis Xavier was the pioneer of education in India. And after him, several institutions named Xavier's, named Loyola, in major cities, in remote corners of villages, are there lighting the lamp of Xavier education. Xavier education ને માટે પડાપડી થાય છે. ઝેવિયર્સ અને લોયોલા નામની સંસ્થામાં એડમિશન બધા ઈચ્છે છે? વાય? What is the mystery behind? And the mystery is because it is run by Jesuits. It is run by members of the Society of Jesus. આશ્ચર્ય થશે કે આ તો એક સાધુ સંઘ છે, સંન્યાસીઓનો સંઘ છે. એમને અને શિક્ષણ સાથે શી લેવા દેવા? તો મધ્યકાળમાં યુરોપમાં સંત ઇગ્નાસ લોયોલા, સેન્ટ ઇગ્નેશિયસ લોયોલા formed an organization, formed an order or an organization of religious સંન્યાસીઓનો એક સંઘ સ્થાપ્યો. એનું નામ એમણે સોસાયટી ઓફ જીસસ એટલે કે ઈસુ સંઘ આપ્યું. It is important that you know what a Jesuit is. You will see that many of us in the college are called fathers. Behind our name you will see SJ written. What does that SJ stand for? It stands for we being the members of this international organization that runs educational institutions, runs institutions of communication, runs institutions of social action and social work and social service, runs institutions of religion and pastoral care of people, runs institutions of technical education. Variety of services are rendered by this Jesuits, this Society of Jesus, all over the world. All over the world. And that is why you will have Loyola Marymount University in Los Angeles. You will have Loyola University in Chicago. You will have Loyola College in Chennai. You will have St. Xavier's College in Calcutta. You will have St. Xavier's College in Mumbai. You will have St. Xavier's College in Ahmedabad, and you will have St. Xavier's School in Anand, in Ahmedabad, Loyola Hall. All over these Xavier's institutions are run by this international organization called the Society of Jesus, members of whom take this little abbreviation SJ behind their name for their identity. આ જેસ્યુઇટ સંસ્થાઓએ મધ્યકાળમાં સ્કૂલ માસ્ટર્સ ઓફ યુરોપનું નામ મેળવ્યું, બિરુદ મેળવ્યું. They thought that the best way to serve the humanity, the best way to serve the world is through education, not by singing songs, not by sitting in church and temple and praying the whole day, but going to the streets and giving education to people. And therefore they came to be known as schoolmasters of Europe. They were running best education institutions because they first educated themselves. And while in preparation for such education institutions, St. Ignatius of Loyola in Paris, already in the middle of 15th century, met Francis Xavier in the university. And he told him that I am planning to start an organization of those who are religious but who will be doing educational work. And Francis Xavier joined him, and 10 of them had this dream of serving God through the field of education. And they themselves educated themselves a lot, and therefore education became one of the biggest motto of the Society of Jesus. આ 10 વિદ્વાન યુવાન યુરોપિયન યુવાનોએ યુનિવર્સિટીમાં શિક્ષણ મેળવીને વિશ્વમાં ઉત્તમ શૈક્ષણિક સંસ્થાઓ સ્થાપી અને એથી જેઝુઇટ અથવા તો સોસાયટી ઓફ જીસસ અથવા તો ઈસુ સંઘની વિશ્વમાં ઉત્તમ શિક્ષણની પરંપરાનો આરંભ થયો, જે આજ લગી 500 વર્ષ પર્યંત પણ જળવાઈ રહ્યો છે. અને આજે ભારતમાં ઠેર ઠેર ઝેવિયર્સ અને લોયોલાની શૈક્ષણિક સંસ્થાઓ સેવા આપી રહી છે. વિશ્વમાં 17,000 જેઝુઇટો, સોસાયટી ઓફ જીસસ ઓર્ગેનાઇઝેશનના સભ્યો ઠેર ઠેર શૈક્ષણિક સંસ્થાઓ ચલાવી રહ્યા છે, ઉત્તમ શૈક્ષણિક સંસ્થાઓ આપી રહ્યા છે. એમના શિક્ષણની વિશિષ્ટ બુનિયાદ છે. ઝેવિયર્સનું શિક્ષણ જાણીતું છે કારણ કે એના પાયામાં 3 સિદ્ધાંતો છે. There are 3 principles in the foundation of Jesuit education, of Xavier's education, and they are triple C, easy to remember. First, competence, sakshamta. We want to give in our institutions to our students the best competence, that you will be the best person in chemistry, you will be the best in literature, you will be the best in psychology, that those who have studied in Xavier's are the best in their own profession, their professional knowledge. That you are doing journalism in Xavier's, then you should be the best journalist of the world, of India. So competence, સક્ષમતા, પોતાના વ્યવસાયની, પોતાના વિષયની સૌથી ઉત્તમ સક્ષમતા આપવી એ આપણો પહેલો C અથવા પહેલો સિદ્ધાંત છે, કોમ્પિટન્સ. બીજો છે કોન્શિયન્સ. કોમ્પિટન્સ અલોન ઇઝ નોટ ઇનફ. કોન્શિયન્સ, અંતરાત્મા, સત્ય અને નીતિ પ્રત્યે વફાદારી. What is the use of you having the best of knowledge but poorest of morality? ઉત્તમમાં ઉત્તમ જ્ઞાન ધરાવતા હોય પરંતુ નીતિમાં તમે નબળા હો તો તમે એક નબળા માનવ છો, એક નબળા નાગરિક છો. The world and the country needs the best and good. Goodness is important. પ્રમાણિકતા, સત્ય અને નીતિ આધારિત શિક્ષણ. We want to shape your conscience. We want to produce people who can boldly say that I can accept contempt of court, but I cannot accept contempt of my conscience. That is the type of education of conscience we want to give. So second C, બીજો છે એ સક્ષમતા સાથે અંતરાત્મા અથવા તો સન્નિષ્ઠા આપણે કહીશું ગુજરાતીમાં. Third C is compassion. What is the use of being the best in knowledge, having the best of conscience, but no human sensibilities, no human sensitivity? એક માનવ સંવેદના ન હોય તો આપણે માનવ તરીકે ઊણા ઉતરીએ છીએ, દેશના નાગરિક તરીકે ઊણા ઉતરીએ છીએ. સહાનુભૂતિ, સહાનુભૂતિ, સક્ષમતા, સન્નિષ્ઠા અને સહાનુભૂતિ. કોમ્પિટન્સ, કોન્શિયન્સ એન્ડ કમ્પેશન. કોના પ્રત્યે? જરૂરિયાતમંદો પ્રત્યે, ગરીબો પ્રત્યે. ભારતમાં જે કોઈ શિક્ષણ મેળવે છે એણે આ પ્રશ્ન પોતાની જાતને પૂછવો પડશે કે મારા શિક્ષણનો લાભ છેવાડાના માનવીને મળે છે, જરૂરિયાતમંદોને મળે છે? જો મારા શિક્ષણનો લાભ છેવાડાના માનવી સુધી ન પહોંચતો હોય, નબળા માનવીઓ સુધી ન પહોંચતો હોય, જેમને જરૂર છે ત્યાં સુધી ન પહોંચતો હોય તો મારું શિક્ષણ અધૂરું છે, ભલે ગમે તેટલો જ્ઞાની હું કહેવાઉં. મારી વિદ્યાનો, મારી વિદ્વતાનો લાભ મારે એવા લોકોને માટે આપવાનો છે કે જેમને ખરેખર જીવનમાં જરૂર છે, જેઓ પછાત છે, જેઓ હાસ્યા પર ધકેલાયેલા છે, જેઓ જરૂરિયાતમંદ છે. Jesuit education has these three principles as their foundation. ઈસુસંગી શિક્ષણની બુનિયાદના આ 3 પાયા છે અને એ આ બુનિયાદી શિક્ષણ છે. પણ એમાં ઉત્તમ છે એક્સેલન્સ. You have to aim for excellence in competence, excellence in conscience, excellence in compassion. Magis is the Latin word the Society of Jesus Jesuit Education wants to give. What is magis? It means more and more, that you are never satisfied with little. ઓછામાં ઓછું નહીં પણ સૌથી વધુ હું કરવા માટે પ્રયાસ કરું, સૌથી ઊંચી કક્ષા પ્રાપ્ત કરવા પ્રયાસ કરું. એ ઈસુસંગી શિક્ષણની આખરી બુનિયાદ છે, એક્સેલન્સ. એન્ડ ધેટ ઇઝ વાય ઝેવિયર્સ ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યુશન્સ શાઇન, બિકોઝ વી વોન્ટ excellent education, we want excellent teachers, we want excellent students. Excellence will be your goal hereafter. શ્રેષ્ઠતા, ઈશ્વરની સેવા માટે ઉત્તમથી ઓછું કંઈ ન ખપે. ઈશ્વરની સેવા માટે શ્રેષ્ઠથી ઓછું કંઈ ન ખપે. એ સન્યાસી તરીકે અમે માનીએ છીએ કે સાચામાં સાચી ઈશ્વરની સેવા, સાચો ધર્મ, સાચી નીતિ, સાચી ઉપાસના અને સાચી પ્રાર્થના એટલે ઉત્તમ સેવા. ઉત્તમમાં ઉત્તમ કાર્ય કરવું તે. When you do something in the best possible way, you are pleasing and God happy, making God happy, maximum happy. ઈશ્વરને રાજી કરવાની એક રીત છે ઉત્તમ રીતે જે કંઈ કરીએ તે કરવું. અને છેલ્લે આ જેસ્યુઇટ સ્પિરિટ, આ જેસ્યુઇટ પ્રાણ, આ જેસ્યુઇટ ચેતના લઈને આપણે ઝેવિયર્સમાં પ્રવેશીએ છીએ કે હું ઉત્તમથી ઉત્તમ કાર્ય કરવા પ્રયત્ન કરીશ, જે કંઈ કરીશ એ શ્રેષ્ઠમાં શ્રેષ્ઠ રીતે કરીશ. એન્ડ ધેટ વિલ બી યોર સ્પિરિટ. અડધું પડધું નહીં, કાચું પોચું નહીં, ચાલશે નહીં, વેટ નહીં, ડિસ્કાઉન્ટ નહીં, but how can I be the first? How can I give the most? How can I be the most generous in what I do? That will be your spirit. I want to invite you to begin your life in St. Xavier's College as a student, to excel in competence, conscience and compassion. તમને આજે અમે આવકારીએ છીએ, આમંત્રણ આપીએ છીએ, બલકે પડકાર આપીએ છીએ ઉત્તમ રીતે કરવા માટે, ઉત્તમ રીતે શિક્ષણ મેળવવા માટે, ઉત્તમ રીતે અંતરાત્માને ઘડવા માટે, સત્ય અને નીતિ પ્રત્યેની વફાદારીને ઘડવા માટે અને ઉત્તમ રીતે સહાનુભૂતિને કેળવવા માટે આ નવી શિક્ષણ નીતિની સાથે આ મૂલ્યોને જોડીને ઝેવિયર્સ કોલેજમાં આવવા માટે, આવકારવા માટે, પડકારવા માટે આપ સૌને હું આજે આમંત્રણ આપું છું. જય ઝેવિયર્સ, વેરી વોર્મ વેલકમ, very dear brothers and sisters, very beloved students. God bless you.
Thank you so much, Father Vinayak. I am sure the students will now have a renewed perception of Xavier's and a comprehensive idea of what does it mean to study in a Jesuit college. Now, the controller of examinations will share his thoughts and take you through the journey of examinations in our college. May I now request a professor in the chemistry department and controller of examination for our college, Dr. Nirmal Desai, to kindly address the batch of 2020.
Very good morning and very warm welcome to St. Xavier's College, Autonomous Ahmedabad, especially to all new entrants who have been inducted this year, academic year 2021 and beyond. I wish and I hope that your journey in St. Xavier's College will be academically enriching and fruitful. Myself, Dr. Nirmal Desai, I am Associate Professor in Department of Chemistry and also holding an additional charge as Controller of Examination in Autonomous College. Let me first brief you what do you mean by Autonomous College. Autonomous College usually is affiliated to its parent university. In our case, our affiliation is with Gujarat University, and Autonomous College has got freedom in three broad areas. The first is academic freedom, in which we can design, modify our own syllabi. The second would be we can start our own new courses as and when we want to, depending upon the market environment, education environment rather. And the third thing is take our examination on our own, which means that we have total freedom in terms of evaluating our students by ourselves. And on this data of students' academic records, university will grant us a degree. So onus and responsibility is there definitely on our shoulders, and we are trying to justify the same since 2014. Controller's office is situated mainly in Zika building. On ground floor, the staff is sitting, the controller staff, office staff, and on the top floor, the controller's office is situated. The ground floor staff benefits and facilitates students with distribution of mark sheets, transcripts, online verification, documentation, fees collection, and so on and so forth related to all the exam activities. What we do at controller's offices, it works like a mini university. Obviously, the quanta of processing students is not that large, but we do exactly the same thing what university does. We generate the enrollment numbers, we generate the mark sheets, we also take end semester examination. Let me also tell you that there are two kinds of examinations. The first is CIA, that is continuous internal assessment, which has been partly done by departments. Individual department takes care of it. That is of 30 marks at undergraduate level at this point of time. We may scale it up higher to 40 marks in future. And the end semester examination is total onus and responsibility of controller's office, wherein we do take fairness, equality and justice to the students. So we mask the identity of the students. We invite external evaluators to invigilate and also to correct the papers, to draw the papers. So anonymity is maintained and fairness is also being maintained. The entire examination office is end-to-end digital mode. You must have experienced during your admission process wherein the student cycle is end-to-end digital. For example, when you are inducted, we inducted in you in ERP, that is the Enterprise Resources Planning. That is a software for benefit of the students, wherein they will get a login ID, and there they can see their attendance, their day-to-day activity, their course, their subject selections, their results which has been published. It will be first published into ERP, and thereafter they will be getting in the form of mark sheet. And the second is we have introduced from last year, that is the LMS, Learning Management System, that is known as Moodle. In recent times of pandemic due to COVID-19, I think extensive use of Moodle is going on for online examination as well as online teaching. So once again, I welcome you all to St. Xavier's College, and I do hope that you will be having a memorable experience in your lifetime this 3 years. Good luck, all the best, and welcome you again. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Dr. Nirmal Desai.
Dear students, welcome to St. Xavier's College. I am Dr. C.J. Clement. I am the IQAC coordinator of the college. The IQAC, that is Internal Quality Assurance Cell, shoulders the responsibility of ensuring to all its stakeholders, including you, a quality experience in all your engagement with the college. The IQAC team comprises of internal staff and external experts, initiate and helps in implementation of procedures and processes that leads to quality education for you. The St. Xavier's College staff and its students, with their combined efforts, have won many laurels in all fields, may it be academics, research, sports, cultural activities, extension activities. And what IQAC does is make a record of it and present it to various ranking agencies like NIRF, GSIRF, India Today, Week, and even to the accreditation agencies like NAAC. And I'm glad to share with you that we have done well in past in all this, and we aspire to do even better. So now I invite all of you to be part of this success story by way of contributing your feedbacks and responses to various surveys that IQAC will conduct to ensure quality and monitor quality. And I urge the students who will be part of student cell of IQAC to put their best foot forward to take this college to greater heights. So once again, I invite and welcome all of you to make best use of all the opportunity that St. Xavier's College provides for your overall development. God bless you. Thank
We will now move to the next phase of the orientation program. I will now invite the head of the departments who will come and address the students. The HODs will introduce the department, the faculty members in the department, and share their thoughts with all of you. Firstly, I call the head of the economics department, Dr. Pinky Desai, to introduce herself and her department. Dr. Pinky Desai.
So good morning everybody. I am Professor Pinky Desai, representing the economics department. I am here on behalf of the department to welcome all of you, the freshers as we call them, the students who are going to start college from this month hopefully. So a very warm and heartfelt welcome to all of you. બધા જ વાલા વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રોને અર્થશાસ્ત્રના બધા જ અધ્યાપકો તરફથી ભાવભીનું આમંત્રણ. I am Dr. Pinky Desai. I am the head of the economics department. With me we have Professor Dr. Vijay Dandukia and પ્રોફેસર આત્મન શાહ. અર્થશાસ્ત્ર વિભાગના બધા જ અધ્યાપકો ખૂબ જ ડાયનેમિક છે, ખૂબ જ એમિએબલ છે. બધા જ વિદ્યાર્થીઓ સાથે મિત્રતા કેળવી અને તમને ખૂબ જ સારી રીતે અર્થશાસ્ત્ર જેવો ડિફિકલ્ટ વિષય સારી રીતે ભણાવવાનો પ્રયત્ન કરશે. Dear friends, this is a unique year and we are all in a new world. And so this year, the welcome is going to be online. It's unique. हम लोग जब फिल्में देखते हैं ना, तो हम लोग उन किरदारों को, उन एक्टर्स को कभी मिले नहीं होते हैं, फिर भी हमें एक दो फिल्में देखकर उनसे लगाव हो जाता है, हम उनको अपना मानने लगते हैं. तो इस साल भी हम टीचर्स और सारे स्टूडेंट्स एक दूसरे को ऑनलाइन अपना मानना शुरू करेंगे. You will start your classes soon and the teachers will make you so comfortable that you will start feeling like your own. Now, what does the economics department stand for? We stand for character, quality, competitiveness. तो सारे अर्थशास्त्र के जो विद्यार्थी है, we expect you to be honest, to be straightforward and to be hardworking. इकोनॉमिक्स जैसा जो सब्जेक्ट है वो रोज बदलता है, दिन ब दिन बदलता है, इसलिए एक कॉम्पिटिटिव स्पिरिट रखना, रोज न्यूज़पेपर्स पढ़ना, नई नई बातें पढ़ना, अर्थशास्त्र में जो हो रहा है उसके बारे में अपने आप को माहितगार रखना, ये इकोनॉमिक्स डिपार्टमेंट की ज़रूरत है. So dear friends, I hope all of you are fond of reading newspapers, watching television news, besides your cricket matches, besides movies and TV serials. Please keep yourselves updated so that you become as competitive as possible in this changing world. What do we do in our department besides completing the syllabus? We hold seminars, workshops, guest lectures from professors in IIM or from professors in the corporate sector and so on. We also conduct inter-college quizzes, inter-college competitions, games and so on, which will help you to work in teams, which will teach you a lot many nuances of team management, leadership, organization, planning and so on. So, what is unique about these activities or about the economics department? We have a flagship event called the EcoFest. It started way back in 2012-13 and it became our flagship event, and last year our EcoFest had participation from 19 to 20 national colleges with 280 registrations. It was a 3-day event which started with a national seminar and then there were competitions for students. Our students also go and compete and participate in various colleges all across the country. You will see some pictures later on where our students have bagged prizes in such competitions. તો આ જે પ્રવૃત્તિઓ છે એ એક જ માધ્યમના વિદ્યાર્થીઓ માટે હોય છે? ના, બંને માધ્યમના વિદ્યાર્થીઓ, આપણે ત્યાં બે માધ્યમ છે, અંગ્રેજી અને ગુજરાતી, અને ગુજરાતી તથા અંગ્રેજી બંને માધ્યમના વિદ્યાર્થીઓ માટે અલગ અલગ પ્રવૃત્તિઓ થાય છે અને તેમાં તેમનું ભેગું પાર્ટિસિપેશન હોય છે. એટલે કે ગુજરાતી અને અંગ્રેજી માધ્યમના વિદ્યાર્થીઓ એક જ છે. માધ્યમ તો ફક્ત પરીક્ષા લખવાનું એક માધ્યમ છે, પરંતુ જ્યારે એક્ટિવિટીઝની વાત થાય, જ્યારે ડિપાર્ટમેન્ટની વાત થાય, ત્યારે બધા ભેગા મળીને આપણે પ્રવૃત્તિઓ કરીએ છીએ. માટે બધા જ તૈયાર રહેજો સરસ ભણવા માટે, સરસ પ્રવૃત્તિઓ કરવા માટે. અને હું એક આ માસ્ક લઈને ઊભી છું, એનો મતલબ શું છે? આપણે બધાએ સેફ રહેવાનું છે, હેલ્ધી રહેવાનું છે, જેથી આ કોલેજ લાઈફ આપણે ફુલ્લી એન્જોય કરી શકીએ. સો અ વેરી વોર્મ વેલકમ વન્સ અગેન. ઓલ ધ બેસ્ટ ટુ યુ. વેલકમ અગેન. થેન્ક યુ.
Thank you, Dr. Pinky Desai. I now request the head of the English department, Dr. Saurabh Vaishnav, to kindly address the students.
Namaskar. Welcome to St. Xavier's College, Ahmedabad. My name is Saurabh Vaishnav and I am working as an assistant professor and head of the Department of English, Ahmedabad. It is my pleasure to introduce the faculties of the English department. We have Father Dr. Sunil Makwan, Dr. Anna Ashirvadita Sacha, Dr. Jui Upadhyay, and Mr. Hardik Thakkar. The vision of the department is that the department envisions fostering critical thinking, articulate expression, and aesthetic sensibilities. Through expertise in English literature and language, we hope to nurture students who will become excellent professionals as well as responsible, sensitive, and conscientious individuals. We hope to provide professional and personal skill building with a special emphasis on effective communication and creative expression in language. The mission of the department is the department strives to encourage students to excel in literature, criticism, communication, research, creative writing, and translation. Through an active engagement with literary texts and scholarship. The mission of the department is aligned with the mission of the college, which is to help students into better human beings. To talk about achievements of the department faculties are actively engaged with several institutes and universities. The faculties are regularly invited as resource persons and subject experts for conducting vivas, delivering guest lectures, and working on research projects. The department successfully conducted a vocational English program and a national seminar in the previous academic year. The department runs mentoring program and also helps students prepare for competitive examination such as National Eligibility Test and Gujarat State Eligibility Test. Every year, the department is blessed to have students who possess inclination towards academics, research, social work, and also co-curricular and extracurricular activities. I am hopeful of receiving such students this year as well. Once again, on behalf of the Xavier's Parivar, a warm welcome to all of you.
Thank you, Dr. Saurabh Vaishnav. I now request the head of the Gujarati department, Dr. Puran Makwana, to kindly address the students.
નમસ્કાર, હું ડૉક્ટર પૂરન મકવાના, અધ્યક્ષ ગુજરાતી વિભાગ, આપ સૌનું હાર્દિક સ્વાગત કરું છું. વિશેષ ભાવે આવકારતા આનંદ અનુભવું છું. વિભાગમાં મારી સાથે ફાધર ડૉક્ટર વિનાયક જાદવ પણ જોડાયેલા છે. ફાધર ડૉક્ટર વિનાયક જાદવ ગુજરાતીના પ્રોફેસર ઉપરાંત કોલેજના વાઇસ પ્રિન્સિપાલ પણ છે અને કરિયર ઓરિએન્ટેડ પ્રોગ્રામ COP જર્નલિઝમના તેઓ કોર્સ કોઓર્ડિનેટર છે. તેમણે જર્નલિઝમનો અનુસ્નાતકનો અભ્યાસ માર્કેટ યુનિવર્સિટી USAમાં કરેલ છે. કોલેજમાં ગુજરાતી વિભાગ સાથે હિન્દી વિષય પણ સંકળાયેલ છે. તેના અધ્યાપક છે પ્રોફેસર અનિલભાઈ M. પરમાર. ગુજરાતી સાહિત્ય સાથે સ્નાતક થવાની ખ્વાહિશ ધરાવતા વિદ્યાર્થીઓમાં સર્વાંગી ઘડતર બાબતે સમર્પિત રહીને તેમનામાં ગુજરાતી ભાષા સાહિત્ય અને સંસ્કૃતિ પ્રત્યે રુચિ અને સંશોધન સંસ્કાર ખીલવવા એ અર્થે ગુજરાતી ભાષા સાહિત્ય અને સંસ્કૃતિમાં વિદ્યાર્થીઓનું માહિતી અને અનુભવલક્ષી જ્ઞાન સંવર્ધન કરવું એ ગુજરાતી વિભાગનું ધ્યેય કથન વિઝન છે. વિદ્યાર્થીઓમાં વાંચન રુચિ વધે, લેખન કૌશલ ખીલે, તેમની અભિવ્યક્તિ ક્ષમતા વિકસે તે માટે ગુજરાતી વિભાગ સતત પ્રયત્નશીલ છે. વિદ્યાર્થીઓને તેમના અભ્યાસમાં જીવંત રસ રહે તે માટે વખતો વખત કલા, સાહિત્ય અને સંસ્કૃતિના પ્રવાસનું આયોજન, ગેસ્ટ લેક્ચર્સ, પ્રેઝન્ટેશન્સ તેમજ અભ્યાસક્રમને પૂરક બની રહે તેવી ફિલ્મો બતાવવી વગેરે સર્જનાત્મક પદ્ધતિએ વિદ્યાર્થીઓનું ઘડતર ગુજરાતી વિભાગ કરી રહ્યો છે. કોલેજને મળેલ ઓટોનોમસ દરજ્જાને કારણે ગુજરાતી વિષયના અભ્યાસક્રમમાં પ્રત્યેક પેપરમાં ચોથો એકમ કૌશલ્યલક્ષી, કારકિર્દીલક્ષી, અભિરુચિલક્ષી, વ્યવસાયલક્ષી અને ભાષા કેન્દ્રી બનાવ્યો છે. સંશોધનલક્ષી અને પસંદગી કેન્દ્રી અભિગમ રાખી ગુજરાતી વિષયના વિદ્યાર્થીઓને નવી દિશામાં લઈ જવાનો નમ્ર પ્રયત્ન કરીએ છીએ. ફરીથી આપ સૌનું ગુજરાતી વિભાગ વતી સ્વાગત કરું છું. વિશ યુ ઓલ ધ બેસ્ટ. થેન્ક યુ.
Thank you, Dr. Puran Makwana. I now request the head of the Psychology Department, Dr. Profina Christian, to kindly address the students.
I am Dr. Profina Christian, Psychology Department. Hello students, a very warm welcome to all of you in Department of Psychology, St. Xavier's College. I am Dr. Profina Christian, head of the department. Our other faculty members are Dr. Arifa Mansoori. She is also guide of PhD and MPhil in Gujarat University. Second, Dr. Aarti Oja. She is a coordinator of College Women Development Cell, CWDC. Dr. Tatpar Joshipura. He is handling cultural activity in department. And Mr. Taronis Pastakia. He is our MA full-time faculty and also visiting in BA undergraduate. Also we have a visiting faculty, Miss Ruwab Khemchandani. She is also taking class in MA and BA. Psychology is the one of the oldest department in this college. We have been offering a powerful and highly popular BA Psychology program both in English and Gujarati medium since the college was established. And I am very happy to inform you that the last year we have also commenced MA in Clinical Psychology in St. Xavier's College. Moreover, for the more than the decade, we have been also offering a one-year career-oriented program in counseling, જે UGC recognized કોર્સ છે અને પ્રેક્ટિકલ સ્કિલ ઓરિએન્ટેડ કોર્સ છે. સેકન્ડ યર સ્ટુડન્ટ્સને ઓફર કરવામાં આવે છે. એવરી યર 40 to 50 સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ આ સર્ટિફિકેટ કોર્સ સક્સેસફુલી પૂરો કરે છે. તે જ પ્રમાણે કોલેજ દ્વારા ઓફર કરવામાં આવતો સેકન્ડ યર રિસર્ચ પ્રોગ્રામમાં એવરી યર સાયકોલોજી ડિપાર્ટમેન્ટમાંથી મિનિમમ 8 to 10 સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ એમનો રિસર્ચ પ્રોજેક્ટ કમ્પ્લીટ કરે છે અંડર ગાઈડન્સ ઓફ ફેકલ્ટી મેમ્બર્સ. ઓલ્સો સ્ટાફ એન્ડ મેની સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ પબ્લિશિંગ પેપર in journals and presenting scientific papers and posters in various state, national and international conferences and seminars. Other than the research, our students are also involved in spreading awareness about various aspects of mental health through seminars, field trips and poster presentations throughout the academic year. We invite experts, arrange guest lectures, seminars and also have alumni meets from time to time. Many of our staff and students are active in NSS, NCC and sports. More than the 90 to 95% of undergraduate students opt for higher education in prestigious institutes in India and abroad. Some of the students secure admissions in various IIMs. Our students are also extremely active in extracurricular activities like youth festival, other inter-college competitions and college fest. The department has also several times been the runners-up in the annual Culfest in St. Xavier's College. And most interesting things that students taken this Culfest more seriously than the Olympics. And currently, our fabulous department is the champion of Culfest 2019. In the spirit of the embracing differences, we have all-inclusive approaches to academic and non-academic life. We study the mysteries of brain and mind, of cognition and behavior in academic. But beyond the academics too, the value system of Xavierite are inculcated, that is, being a person for others. Once again, welcome to all of you in St. Xavier's College. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Profina Christian. I now request the head of the Sanskrit department, Dr. Ishwar Mehra, to kindly address the students.
નમસ્કાર વાલા વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો. પ્રવાહિતો જ્ઞાનમયઃ પ્રવાહ એ સેન્ટ ઝેવિયર્સ કોલેજનો મુદ્રાલેખ છે. વાલા મિત્રો, જ્ઞાનનો પ્રવાહ અવિરતપણે વહી રહ્યો છે. આપની સામર્થ્ય અનુસાર આપ એને પામી શકો છો. સંસ્કૃત વિભાગ સેન્ટ ઝેવિયર્સ કોલેજનો ભૂતકાળ ભવ્ય રહ્યો છે. ડૉક્ટર CL શાસ્ત્રી સાહેબ, રાષ્ટ્રપતિ પુરસ્કૃત ડૉક્ટર ગૌતમ પટેલ સાહેબ, ડૉક્ટર શાંતિકુમાર પંડ્યા સાહેબ, ડૉક્ટર ઉર્મિબેન શાહ, ડૉક્ટર સુચિતાબેન મહેતા અને હાલમાં વર્તમાન પણ એટલો જ ઉજ્જવળ છે. હું ડૉક્ટર ઈશ્વર મહેરા, હેડ ઓફ ધ ડિપાર્ટમેન્ટ સંસ્કૃત, અને મારી સાથે મારા કોલિગ છે ડૉક્ટર રાજવી ઓઝા, આસિસ્ટન્ટ પ્રોફેસર. વાલા મિત્રો, આપણા દેશની સાંસ્કૃતિક ધરોહરને જાણવી હોય, સમજવી હોય તો સંસ્કૃતનું અધ્યયન મદદરૂપ થઈ પડે છે. આપ સૌ સુસંસ્કૃત બનો એવી અભ્યર્થના સાથે સેન્ટ ઝેવિયર્સ કોલેજમાં આપ સૌને આવકારું છું. ધન્યવાદ.
Thank you, Dr. Ishwar Mehra. May I now request Father Johnson, the Vice Principal for Computer Applications, to kindly address the batch of 2020.
Welcome to the Department of Computer Sciences. We began initially as an independent college under Gujarat University called Xavier Institute of Computer Application, ZICA. However, since 2015, we are Department of Computer Sciences of St. Xavier's College, Ahmedabad, after St. Xavier's College got the autonomous status. Our syllabus is designed in such a way that the students get the best of this field. They get a wide experience, are introduced to different technologies and programming languages. We have projects, assignments, which gives them a hand-on feel of the subject. The quality education has enabled our students to do well in their career. With its competent faculty, good infrastructure and library, our BCA program has found a place among the top ranking institutions in the country. In the recent India Today survey, our department has stood in the 10th position all over the country. I will just introduce briefly our core faculties. We have Father David Roy, who is currently pursuing his doctoral studies in Marquette University, USA. Then we have Professor Dhonil Shah, Professor Nitya Nadar, Dr. Dara Bhatt, Professor Manali Brahmbhatt, Professor Khushbu Shah, Professor Cecil Joni, and Professor Sophia Joseph. We have Mr. Joy Christian as our lab operator. We have a few visiting faculties also. We have Professor Selvi Yalamarthi, Professor Celia Antony, Professor Mala Shri, Professor Priyanka Daliwala, and Professor Janvi Pandya. Our department is blessed with young and dynamic staff, due to which we have lot of activities conducted throughout the year. We had an event called Pythogram, in which we had an international resource person in the person of Father Dr. Thomas Sovas, who is an associate professor in the Department of Computer Sciences, Marquette University, USA. We had a number of seminars to enhance the technical knowledge of our students. We had seminars on IoT, Internet of Things, and other seminars which introduced them to the advanced technologies. We also had seminars on health awareness. We had a seminar on bone marrow transplant, appealing to the aspect of generosity of the students to become potential donors to help the society. We had a special seminar for women's health. To take care of the emotional intelligence, we had a seminar called Angles of Life. And to prepare them for competitive exams, we had seminars. We had seminars for career counseling, seminars to guide them in their study abroad. We had also organized alumni meet where our former students came back to the campus and there was a good networking with them. Our students have participated in many inter-college tournaments and have come out in good ranks. I would also like to introduce our admin staff, the admin staff of the self-finance section of the college. We have Miss Annie Shibu, who is our administrator. We have Miss Sini Danny, who is our academic assistant. And we have Miss Salome Christian, who is the clerk. And we have Nilesh Bhai and Anil Bhai, who are our support staff. Welcome to Xavier's. Thank you.
I now request CA Harsh Koradia, the head for the Commerce Department in college, to kindly address the gathering.
My dear students, I am CA Harsh Koradia, Head of Department of Commerce, and feeling delighted to take this opportunity to introduce you with your new place of learning, Department of Commerce. We all understand that when we use word commerce, we directly link it with money or finance. But when we study commerce into a college, we do not only focus on generating employments or creating entrepreneurs, but also to make intellectual good human beings in all aspects. And at the end, when you get your degree, you shall find within yourself a confidence that will guide you in your later part of life. You must feel privileged because you have joined an esteemed institution which bridged the gap between industrial expectation and academia by way of holding status of autonomous. The status gives us right to build your curriculum which keeps you updated with the needs of an hour. The course which you have joined is created by tie-up with renowned company TCS, Tata Consultancy Services. Out of your 42 subjects divided in 6 semesters, 8 subjects are designed by TCS, which gives you an industrial taste before you become graduate. This is very unique 3-year full-time degree program designed by experts of TCS and academia. It is presently running successfully in several colleges in South India and benefit the student community to attain mainstream careers. This program aims to make students well versed in contemporary commerce and business practices by accelerating and developing thinking, which are highly important to establish a career in the industry. By combining the academic foundation and industry requirements, the studies may help reducing a number of potential pitfalls in managing simulations in practical approach. Now, your faculties are enriched with both educational qualifications and practical experience, which shall help you connecting yourself with matured outside world. To introduce myself, I am by profession chartered accountant and holding 5 years of industry experience in the field of accounting, finance, taxation, audit, etc. If I talk about Professor Mitali and Professor Kinjal, both are pursuing their PhDs, and rest others include qualified professors in their respective fields like communication, management, finance, etc. The department is live with activities and also encourage students not only to participate in in-house events but also take part in events organized by different institutions and organizations. The students are guided and keep motivated that brought result that everyone saying our students are unique. Apart from extracurricular activities, department have also organized seminars and workshops on the topics like SPSS, digital marketing, career guidance. Lastly, about the graduate students, that is your seniors and the alumni members, they have been placed in TCS and other established organization through campus placement. With this, I end my speech. We are eager to welcome you.
Thank you, CA Harsh Koradia. With this, we come to an end of the phase 2 of the orientation, where all the head of the departments have talked to the respective department students. With this, we move to the phase 3 of the orientation. For the overall development of the students, we have many committees in our college. These committees play a very vital role in the overall development of the students. So now I would request the committee members, or rather the committee coordinators, to come and speak to the students. So I would now request the coordinator for the career and placement cell, Dr. Pranav Trivedi, who is also a faculty member in the chemistry department, to kindly address the students.
Hello, all dear students, welcome you to the St. Xavier's College, Ahmedabad. Myself, Dr. Pranav Trivedi, coordinator of Career and Placement Cell of St. Xavier's College, Ahmedabad. First of all, I want to introduce my team members: Professor Clement Sir from Physics Department, Professor Dhwanir Shah from BCA Department, Professor Khushbu Ma'am from again BCA Department, Professor Mitali Ma'am from BCom Department, Professor Vijay Sidhandukia from BA Economics, Miss Dipali Ben from College Office, and Professor Prasant Patel from Maths Department, and Professor Kirtan Parmar from Statistics Department. So these are our team members of Career Cell and Placement Cell. Now I would like to tell you something about the particular activities of Career Cells. So we have done 2 different activities. One is on the seminar and talks, and the another one is placement. In seminar and talks, we will give you certain guidance on different topics, just like what about after the graduation. Also, you can know your army. If you want to build up your career in army, then we will keep a session for that also. After that, how to crack government exam, how to crack CAT exam for the MBA admission. Then if you want to get an admission in airlines, then also we will provide seminar or some different talk from the expertise from the various field. Also in the seminar and talks, we will give you some particular talks or the particular seminar based on interview skill or communication skill. So these are the some activities that we have done in the last year, and generally we do this for the students of St. Xavier's College. Next one is placement. Generally we can keep the placement for the last year student, generally TY and MSc or MA. just for master degree. Generally, we keep this campus drive in the month of December to February. In this month, various companies come for the campus drive, just like this month, Cadila Pharma, Zydus Pharma, Reliance, then TCS, then Infosys. So these are the different companies or various companies come for the campus drive. So if you would like to if you would like job profile and if you would like to give the interview, you can give the interview, and before leaving campus, some of the members are easily selected in the esteemed company. Second thing, also we provide you the platform in the other university. So just like Gujarat University, Nirma University, Parul University, if they have a placement fair, then we will forward the information to all the students according to their job profile. If you would like to go there, and if you want to select, if you are selected, then you can go and do the job. So we are doing continuous effort to build your career. So I hope all of you understand what are the activities. So please support us, be with us. Thank you. All the best.
Thank you so much, Dr. Pranav Trivedi. I'm very sure students would have got a renewed idea about the career opportunities after they finish their graduation at St. Xavier's College, Ahmedabad. So friends, I now call none other than the Cultural Coordinator for St. Xavier's College, Ahmedabad, Professor Disha Khetani, to come and address the students.
My dear students, or may I now say Xavierites, on behalf of St. Xavier's College and Extracurricular Committee, I, Disha Khetani, Faculty of Industrial Chemistry Department and Coordinator of Cultural Committee, am privileged to stand before you to welcome you all to a journey of learning, sharing and accomplishment. First, I introduce my committee members, Professor Atman Shah, Dr. Divya Gangal, Mr. Gaurav Desai, Professor Manali Brahmbhatt and Dr. Vijay Dhandukia. It is a known fact that Xavier's has a dynamic management, motivated and devoted faculty who are always ready to facilitate your inner talent and hone skills through various events. Heading the cultural committee from last 3 years, I assure you that we shall provide you various opportunities to showcase your talent along with your academics, which in turn will not only be a source of joy but will also enter you towards the Xavier Parivar. Benjamin Franklin, one of the founding fathers of the United States, rightly said, "Tell me and I forgot, teach me and I remember, but involve me and I learn." We at Xavier's College offer you opportunities to be involved in so many activities which will enable to realize your own potential, help you not only to build your career but to also imagine your future with a new perspective. The activities in the extracurricular committees are, first one is volunteering. Mahatma Gandhi said, the best ways to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. Being a volunteer at Xavier's will help you to learn event management, time management, self-development, public speaking and enhancement in self-confidence. So, to apply to be a volunteer for events organized across an academic year, please routinely keep an eye open for the notifications. Youth is power. So said by Swami Vivekanand, which brings us to second best event being offered by Xavier's is the Youth Fest. In Youth Fest, we are giving you an opportunity to grow your latent talent from state level to national level. The Youth Fest is being held by Gujarat University and colleges of Ahmedabad participate in Youth Fest. Briefing you about the Youth Fest, there are 4 zones in Youth Fest under Gujarat University and we are participating from the South Zone. More than 20 plus events are being organized in Youth Fest under literary, dance, music, drama and fine arts. Briefing you about Youth Fest, there are 4 zones in Youth Fest under Gujarat University. There are several benefits to participate in Youth Fest, like if you are selected in inter-zone, then you will get a chance to participate in state level, and If you are selected in state level, then you will get a chance to participate at the national level. So, it's a proud moment to declare from this podium that Xavierites have reached at the national level. Be ready to one of them. If you will participate in Youth Fest, the college supports you in your attendance management also. If you participate in intrazone level, then there will be an addition of 1 mark in your internal marks. If you participate in interzone, then there will be addition of 2 marks. At state level, it's 3 marks, and western zone of the country 4 marks, and at national level 5 marks will be added to your internal as an appreciation and recognition of your contribution, hard work and talent. So Youth Fest is an event where you will get a chance to connect with more than 30 plus colleges of Ahmedabad. So be determined from day 1 to participate in Youth Fest, and we assure that we shall be a wing of your dream. India is known for different cultures in different states, celebrating their traditional festival throughout the year. St. Xavier's Institute is distinct in terms of going an extra mile in identifying the emerging talent that therefore Xavier's celebrate the cultural festival which is known as Eculfest every year and gives a chance to explore your talent. In the Culfest, you can win champion trophies also. You might have the question that what is this champion trophy? Let me explain. In the Culfest, there will be a competition of 2 groups. The one group comprising Arts, Commerce and Computer Science department, and the second unit comprising Science department. In both groups, there will be contest within their department which is called intra-department competition. Each department gets to choose their 15 events from 20 to 25 events. Those selected will compete with the other department in the group. The best 3 of all these events will then compete with the best 3 from the other group. So the department which scores highest point throughout the Culfest will get a champion trophy and will be declared as a department of the year. Along with volunteering, orientation, Youth Fest and Culfest, we at St. Xavier's College also celebrate graduation ceremony, annual day and farewell function under the extracurricular committee. So here was a glimpse of what Xaviers are putting their efforts to enhance your growth vertically as well as horizontally, in other words, gearing you towards balancing academics and extracurricular activities. This defines an all-over growth towards carving a bright future. So let's join hands together and start walking towards the journey of your glorious future. Best of luck, my dear students, and thank you for giving me a patient ear. Good day.
Thank you so much, Disha ma'am. Dear students, I am very sure all of you must have been very happy to know about the cultural activities taking place in our college. Although ma'am covered almost everything, especially around the youth festival and cultural festival, I am going to tell you something more from the students' perspective. St. Xavier's College is the cultural hotspot of the entire Ahmedabad. If you were in the campus right now, this would have been the time of youth festival. If there was no pandemic, all of you, including your seniors, would have been working day and night for the preparations of the youth festival. Ladies and gentlemen, Youth Fest is very crucial for St. Xavier's College. There are students from Xavier's who have won inter-college competitions, who have won the interzonals, and there are students who have gone to the nationals for 5 years consecutively. Xavierites have made careers for themselves in the fields of music, in the fields of dramatics, in stand-up comedy and everywhere. Some of the very renowned RJs in Ahmedabad belong to St. Xavier's College, and thanks to the platform of Youth Festival, Xavierites get a big opportunity to showcase their talents. Ladies and gentlemen, cultural festival in the month of December or January is a thing to experience. I'm pretty sure that if the lockdown restrictions are lifted before December or January, and if you will be physically present in the campus, the cultural festival is really going to be a great moment of your life. I can't even put it to words. How is it like in St. Xavier's College during the time of Culfest? Every department of science and arts really work hard day and night to win that one departmental trophy. It is very important. All of your friends will become your competitors just because you want to win that department trophy. Xavier's is going to be an exciting place, and for that you need to be physically present in the St. Xavier's College, and I'm pretty sure that in the coming days when all of us meet in the campus, we are really going to have a very good time. So with this, I would like to request the coordinator for CWDC to kindly address the students. May I now request the coordinator for CWDC, Dr. Aarti Oza.
Hello students, myself Dr. Aarti Oza, and I welcomes to all of you. Hope you are doing good and in great health. First, I would like to clarify that CWDC is not only for girl student, but it is for all. From the inception of the college, the management and staff have been taking care of women staff and students in various ways. But it was in 1990s that a special cell was set up under the guidance of Dr. Father Vincent Briganza, Dr. Shaguna Ramanathan, and Dr. Kashmira Pagdiwala. Over the years, the women's cell come to be named Urja, means energy. Sister Mary James and Professor Mehra guided various activities for the students. In fact, St. Xavier's College hosted the first National Women's Conference initiated by the All India Catholic University Federation AICUF in the year 2005. In October 2005, the Vice Chancellor of the Gujarat University, Professor A.U. Patel, made it compulsory for every college affiliated with Gujarat University to have this cell in the college. Now, Urja is called Collegiate Women Development Cell, CWDC. Let me introduce the faculty members of this cell. First, myself, Dr. Aarti Oza, the coordinator of this cell and also the professor of Psychology Department. Dr. Sharad Kumar Sundarwasa, he is professor of Zoology Department. Mr. Vijay C. Dhandukia from Economics Department. Ms. Nitya Nadar from Computer Science Department. Ms. Kinjal Mistry from Commerce Department. Ms. Cecil John from Computer Science Department. Ms. Annie Shibbu and Ms. Patel Anita both are represent the administrative staff. This cell is not just to deal with the harassment issues, but also focus on the various areas of activity like cyber security, essential need of this generation, healthcare issues. We focus on healthcare issues of women, gender sensitivity. We try to spread sensitivity regarding gender equality and other related issues. Social inclusiveness, to mold our students becoming better human and responsible citizen. Self-defense for women. We celebrate special days like Girl Child Day, Women's Day, Equal Opportunity Day, like that. This cell arranged various seminar, workshop, talks in which we invited well-known national and international personalities for deliver their knowledge and experience with our students. St. Xavier's College also provide a platform to interact with foreign students and to exchange the facts regarding the status of women in their respective countries. We also raise our voice for justice too. For sensitizing our students with the other side of the society, we try to arrange some interactive programs with the slum children, orphans, and physically and mentally challenged persons. We try to address some burning issues of the society by creative and the dramatic waves. Print media has also noted that. With the constant support and the guidance of management, Sister Mary and the SALS members, we arranged various programs. This is our army, the volunteers of CWDC, who works hard to fulfill our aspirations and expectations. And in nearest future, we hope that you also will become the part of it. Welcome all of you again. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Aarti Oza. Friends, if you were in campus right now, you would have literally fallen in love with the beautiful campus of St. Xavier's College. Our campus is one of the most beautiful campuses in this city. St. Xavier's College campus is unique in many forms. A lush green campus, grand stairs, Siddharth Assembly Hall, and a beautiful open air theatre. There are a lot of facilities in Xavier's campus, including the library, the ground, the basketball court, the football ground, the cricket ground, and whatnot. I request all the students to make the best use of all the facilities that we have in our campus. So friends, with this, I would like to request the coordinator for NSS, Dr. Devang Pandya, to please address the students.
Good day, one and all. I am Dr. Devang R. Pandya, NSS coordinator, and from the Department of Chemistry. Before I say anything about the NSS Xavier's, let me say about what is NSS. The National Service Scheme is a central sector scheme of Government of India, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. It means NSS directly come under Union Cabinet, Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. Now, who has started NSS? On 24 September 1969, the then Union Education Minister V.K.R.V. Rao launched the NSS at the 37th University, all state. The scheme has been extended to all state and universities in the country and also +2 level institute in many states. The motto of NSS is not me but you, reflects the essence of democratic living and upholds the need for selfless service. NSS helps the students' development and appreciation to other person point of view and also show consideration towards the living beings. Who is the head of NSS? At the state level, a state NSS cell headed by the state liaison officer, that is SLO, coordinates the program. The Government of India extend 100% financial assistance for establishing the state NSS cell. Now, how NSS certificate benefits you? National Service Scheme is beneficial to both students as well as the society in various means. NSS helps the student to grow individually and also as a group. It makes the student confident, develop leadership skills and gain knowledge about different people from the different walks of life. Now, reason to join NSS. The motto of NSS is not me but you. Moreover, NSS helps the student to develop sense of selfless service and appreciation of the other person's point of view, and also to show consideration for fellow human beings. NSS in Xavier's. Student in Xavier's, the head of NSS is the head of institute, our principal, Dr. Father Lancelot de Cruz SJ. Under him, we are the NSS team. I am Dr. Devang Pandya, coordinator of NSS. Then we have Dr. Vijay C. Dandukiyasa, professor in economics department, Dr. Kirtan Parmasa, professor in statistics department, Dr. Amit Kostisa, professor in geology department, and Mr. Gaurav Desai from my own department of chemistry. In our NSS team, we have 5 committees headed by student volunteers. To name a few, student relation committee, education committee, cultural committee, admin committee, and logistic committee, we have 100 volunteers in our NSS team. The duties of NSS volunteers. NSS volunteers work in rural areas, adapted villages and schools to serving the cause of the society through survey, education and health awareness programs. This study involves in identifying the importance, aims and objective of NSS in higher education, which in turn create social responsibility among the students. We offered soft skill course on NSS, which is offered to SY students as well. In the last academic year, our NSS volunteers have done a record 33 events in the campus and off the campus, out of which in blood donation camp we have donated record 109 bottles of blood to thalassemia major kids. We have also done one event with Western Railways. We have also done student cultural exchange with Japanese delegation and Tarumitra Patan and many more. For events, we have collaborated with many reputed organizations. To name a few, we have collaborated with Rotary Club, Red Cross, Western Railways and many more. How NSS make difference in one's life? Our many volunteers learn a lot through NSS. Nearly 85 volunteers earn certificate participating in different activities of NSS. Some learn skill, such as one of our volunteer is turned into an artist, professional dramatist. One is making short films and won an award for his short film on Govind versus COVID. And many student volunteers have participated in Youth Fest and earned medal for themselves. In the last academic year, for the first ever time, our volunteer has applied for prestigious IG award, the Indira Gandhi National Award for the volunteer. Even one volunteer has started his own NGO. He has founded Grace Heart Foundation, and we have done lot of NSS activity together. At last but not least, let me thank God for giving us an opportunity to serve our society, and also I would like to thank our management, Father Principal and Vice Principal Science and Arts for putting trust on us and helping us in our task. And I also would like to inspire our new members of JVS Parivar, the freshers, to join the NSS as volunteer. Thank you to Disha ma'am and her team and Gurjar Vani for all the arrangement for this webinar. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Dr. Devang Pandya. That was the coordinator for NSS. Now, Devang sir and Disha ma'am talked about volunteering in their speeches. Now, volunteering is the backbone of Xavier's. It is a legacy that makes Xavier's very different from other colleges. From the very first year, you will be entrusted upon with several responsibilities. Ideally, your seniors would have been doing this orientation with you. And in the normal circumstances, Youth Fest would have been around and you would have been part of the entire volunteering process. But due to the lockdown, this is not possible. But if you want to optimize your learning, if you want to maximize your learning in Xavier's, I would really advise you to join volunteering from the day one in college and get involved in all the activities in the college. Never forget this, volunteering is the backbone of Xavier's. With this, I would like to request the Director of Sports in our college, Dr. Vijay Singh Pateria, to please address the students.
Good morning all the students. Myself Dr. Vijay C. Pateria. I am a sports director in our college. Students, Xavier's कॉलेज में आपका स्वागत है और कॉलेज में जो भी स्पोर्ट्स इवेंट होती है वो सब मेरे थ्रू हैंडल हो रहा है. Xavier's कॉलेज में टोटल 22 इवेंट्स इंटर कॉलेज में पार्टिसिपेशन करते हैं. उनमें से बास्केटबॉल, फुटबॉल, एथलेटिक्स ये और हॉकी ये सब गेम में अपने पिछले 10 साल से चैम्पियन हो रही है अपनी कॉलेज। उसके साथ साथ इंडिविजुअल इवेंट में टेबल टेनिस, बैडमिंटन, रेसलिंग, ये सब इवेंट में भी चैम्पियन होते हैं। तो जो भी स्टूडेंट्स इन गेम में और इसके अलावा भी कोई भी गेम में पार्टिसिपेशन करना चाहता हो, वो मेरे ऑफिस में आके अपना रजिस्ट्रेशन करवा जाए। उसके साथ साथ एनसीसी भी अपनी कॉलेज में मैं ही हैंडल करता हूँ। मैं एनसीसी का इंचार्ज हूँ। तो एनसीसी में 3 विंग्स होते हैं, एयर विंग, नेवी और आर्मी। गर्ल्स के लिए आर्मी में अलग बटालियन होता है पूरा, और एयर विंग के लिए बॉयज़ ओनली फॉर बॉयज़। अभी तक तो ऐसा है, लेकिन फिर बोला हुआ है कि गर्ल्स को भी उसमें इन्वॉल्व किया जाए। तो गर्ल्स बॉयज़ दोनों इसमें इन्वॉल्व हो जाएंगे इस साल से। नेवी के लिए मैथ्स डिपार्टमेंट में प्रशांत सर है, जो ANO है उधर, वो पूरा नेवी का हैंडल करते, लेकिन उसका रजिस्ट्रेशन भी आपको मेरे पास करवाना पड़ेगा। तो स्पोर्ट्स और एनसीसी के लिए किसी को भी कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन या रजिस्ट्रेशन करवाना तो मेरे ऑफिस में आके मुझसे मिले। थैंक यू।
Thank you, Dr. Vijay Singh Pateria. Friends, every year in the month of March, the college celebrates its annual day. Students are awarded for their overall performances. There are some very prestigious awards which are given to the students. Students are awarded for their outstanding performance in academics, in social service, in sports, and on multiple other fields. We have some very prestigious awards in our college, like the Sportsman of the Year Award, the Orator of the Xavier's Award, the Xavier's Medal for Excellence, and the Vikram Sarabhai Trophy. So it's my sincere appeal to all of you to please go through the prospectus once given to you, because it contains all the details about the awards that are given to the students on the annual day. And therefore, every student of Xavier's is expected to strive for excellence from day one and get yourself involved in as many activities as possible. So with this, I would now like to request a representative from the research committee, Dr. Sanjeev Gupta, to please come and address the students. Friends, I would also like to tell you that St. Xavier's College, Ahmedabad is one of the very few colleges in the country which promotes the undergraduate research. Research is very important to Xavier's, and we have achieved some very successful heights in the past few years. To convey all of this information, I would now like to request a representative from the research committee and a professor in the Department of Physics, Dr. Sanjeev Gupta, to please address the students.
Good morning, dear student. Welcome to St. Xavier College, Ahmedabad. I am Dr. Sanjeev Gupta, one of the member in research committee. Before I start with the role and work of research committee, I will quote this mantra by Napoleon Hill. You cannot change where you started, but you can change the direction you are going. It is now what you are going to do, but it is what you are doing now that counts. And with this word, the role and function of research committee is following. We do UG and PG research medal ceremony, which held every July and August of every year. We do research seminar the month of March every year for selection of UG and PG student in research. The interested student go through the department evaluation process, and after finishing his and her submission report, they can submit in June and July. After evaluation of report by peer review committee, we will give certificate, medal and scholarship. And these all things we don't charge any kind of fees. I just give you data. In last 2018-19, we have 87 students received research medal certificate, and also 11 staff published his or her research work in our St. Xavier Journal magazine. And also, with addition with this, we do staff research seminar every year where we have 2 best teachers are awarded. We have other function like that. This time we plan to publish our own journal with ISSN number where contributing paper by student and staff. We also work on the research ethics, policies, plagiarism rule, scientific database, journals. In the year of 2019 and 20, we have some milestone. For the student research, approximately 120 students has participated in state, national, international level of workshop and seminars. Even though we have 7 UG and PG publication, even though we have 130 nearly faculty, they have participated in national, international workshop and seminar. Even we have national and international, we have 100 publication by the faculties, even 90 talks, judges and resources by the 90 talks by the our faculty. With this, we have more environment of research, like we promote research like UGC minor, major, DST and many other project. We do the student staff exchange program, we promote seminars, we promote workshop, we also promote intercollegiate quizzes, even though we also promote different collaborations, and we promote research culture in students. We have different active MOUs like PRL, IPR, SEC, ISRO. We have MOU with Zydus School of Excellence, Charusat University, Sutharia Electronics, AI, ACIT, TCS. We do the different activity throughout the year and also different research opportunity due to this active MOUs. We have different funding agency from SAC ISRO, DST, GSBTM, FIST and DST. We have some special milestone program like we do every year, like advanced BSc program in physics and mathematics, ChemCho, chemistry, intercollegiate working model competition, quiz, BioClax, EcoFest. So we do the several state and national level seminar workshop throughout the year. And the last, welcome to 3-year for as a UG and 2-year for a PG student to our college. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Sanjeev Gupta. Friends, do you know the most important and most exciting part about the orientation program at St. Xavier's College? Like the most beautiful part of this orientation, it's the hooting, it's the Xavier's cheers. Oh, due to this, oh, I'm so sorry, I can't even put this to words what this beautiful feeling is. But very sadly, we just cannot do this because we cannot physically meet, and this is one thing which we cannot do virtually. So friends, you will really have to wait till you come to the college, till you come to the campus. But I'm going to give you some hints as we move towards the end of the orientation program. If you were physically present in the college right now, your seniors would have definitely had this one Xavier's Cheers session with all of you. But we could not do it right now. So I'm going to give you some hints about this. You can search about this on Google, on YouTube, wherever you want. So let me give you some hints. It's the most fun and exciting part of the orientation program. It gives you goosebumps. It's a pride feeling for every Xavierite. It is a once in a lifetime opportunity. So with this, I'm going to keep it a suspense. If you have your friends and your seniors, go talk to them, ask them. So the first thing that you are supposed to do after coming to the campus is to go to the cultural coordinator and ask Disha ma'am to have a special session for the Xavier's Cheers. You have to ask your seniors when you come to the college to arrange for a special Xavier's Cheers session in the Siddharth Assembly Hall. This has to happen, and this has to happen in the college physically. And you will ask your seniors to do this on the first day of your college. So with this, I would like to request the final speaker of this orientation program, the very humble, a true gentleman, Mr. Agnello Gonçalves, the Office Superintendent at St. Xavier's College. Ladies and gentlemen, the final speaker for the orientation program, Mr. Agnello Gonçalves.
A warm welcome to everyone to St. Xavier's College Autonomous. I am Agnello Gonçalves, Office Superintendent. The administrative staff consists of the following staff members. The accounts of the college is being handled by our accountant, Mrs. Kirti J. Pravasi. She is assisted by the cashier cum senior clerk, Mrs. Jaishri Ben Bhatt. We have 3 senior clerks, namely Mrs. Anita Patel, Mr. Johnson Christian, and Mr. Virendra Makwana. We have 1 junior clerk, Mrs. Dipali Talsania. Our 2 office peons are Mr. Antim Batawala and Mr. Mukund Parmar. In the library setup, we have our librarian, Dr. Meenaben Pandya. She is assisted by our junior clerk, Ms. Priti Makwan, and the office, the peon is Mr. Vinod Makwana. So once again, a welcome to everyone. Stay safe, stay healthy.
So with this, I would like to request the man behind this entire virtual orientation program, an alumnus of Department of Physics, St. Xavier's College, Ahmedabad, and a very dear friend of mine, Chintan Panchasra, to please deliver the vote of thanks address, and he's going to even speak to you about some of the famous alumni of St. Xavier's College. So I would now like to request Chintan Panchasra to please address the students.
Hello students, I am Chintan Panchasra, a proud alumnus of St. Xavier's College, Autonomous, Ahmedabad. In the past 65 years history of St. Xavier's College, our college has produced some of the great alumni. Xavierites have achieved a great success and have made their name for themselves in the fields of politics, economics, arts and literature, academics and research, press and media, radio and television, bureaucracy and armed forces, film industry, and many more. To name some of our star alumni, legendary actress Parveen Babi, legendary classical dancer and a public figure Malika Sarabhai, a MP in the Australian Parliament Kaushalya Waghela, Bollywood actor Rajiv Khandelwal, another Bollywood actor Rohit Roy, Minister of Tribal Affairs in the Government of Gujarat, and the ex-Speaker of Gujarat Assembly Shri Ganpat Bhai Wasawa, Managing Director of Rasna Mr. Piruz Khambata, India's ace billiards player Geet Shetty, Gnanpith awardee Shri Raghubir Chaudhary, Indian folklorist and a Padma Shri awardee Shri Joravar Singh Jadhav, senior Indian INSA scientist from IPR and a Professor Emeritus Dr. Abhijit Sen, noted academician and a author Ms. Rita Kothari, renowned RJ of Ahmedabad RJ Devki, a Gujarati actor Diksha Joshi, and many more. Isn't it a great matter of pride to study in the same college which has produced such a great personalities? That's the strength and power of St. Xavier's College and its alumni. So with this, we come to the end of this orientation program. It was really a difficult task for all of us to present this orientation program virtually before you students. I would like to thank Father Principal, Father Dr. Lancelot D. Cruz for their support and guidance throughout this whole orientation program. I would also like to thank the rector of this college, Father Vinayak Jadhav, for taking out the time for the address and giving a sense of being a Xavierite to the student. Big thanks to the IQSC coordinator, Dr. Clement sir, and the controller of examinations, Dr. Nirmal Desai sir, for all their support. I would especially like to thank the cultural coordinator, Professor Disha Khetani, and her team consisted of Professor Atman Shah, Dr. Divya Gangal, Mr. Gaurav Desai, Professor Manali Brahmbhatt, and Dr. Vijay Singh Dandukia for their constant support throughout this program. A special thanks to all the head of the departments and the coordinators of various committees for taking out their valuable time for this event. The program wouldn't have been possible without the support from the Gurjar Vani. For that, I would like to thank Father Devasya, Father Saji and Grana Ma'am for all their support. I would also like to extend my sincere and deep regards to the computer application departments for the coordination during this program. For that, I would like to thank Father Johnson and Mr. Joy Christian. And last but not the least, the technical team behind this whole virtual orientation program, the team of 5 students who are also the alumni of the same college, have worked extremely hard to make this historic event, virtual orientation program, possible for you students. They rightly say, once a Xavierite, always a Xavierite. As an alumni, it was a great opportunity for all of us students to contribute in a very small way towards our college. And also big thanks to the host of this whole program, Mr. Manthan Goswami, an alumnus of the same college. So friends, we hope that you had a great time in this virtual orientation program. Hope to meet you all in the alumni meet during the Culfest. Thank you all and have a great life at St. Xavier's.
Thank you so much, Chintan Panchasra. Ladies and gentlemen, with this we come to an end of the virtual orientation program 2020. I'm pretty sure that after listening to all those star alumni names that Chintan said, you must be feeling very proud internally. How amazing it is to know that some of these very successful Bollywood stars, noted academics, politicians and many more have been to Xavier's. All of these people and many more in Ahmedabad, in Gujarat and in India call St. Xavier's College as their second home. They have all been to Xavier's just like you. They have all had their orientation program just like you, and they have all had their day one in the Xavier's like just you had. I wish you all the best and would really hope that even you add your name to that list of star alumni of St. Xavier's College. Welcome to the new community. Welcome to the new family. On behalf of entire Xavier's Parivar, I once again welcome you to St. Xavier's College, Ahmedabad. God bless, stay safe, stay healthy, and I really want to meet you soon in the campus. Thank you so much.